Here's an argument that shows, here's a series of arguments that actually shows that demolition is the only plausible explanation. The first one is just to look at the pulverization of the concrete. What you see in the case of both buildings is this intense pulverization, this white clouds of concrete. These are clouds of concrete and gypsum. And by the distribution, by the opacity of these clouds as they're being ejected, by the distribution of mass around these buildings, I mean, they didn't just fall straight down on the footprints, they radiated out all over the place. And probably just a small fraction of the mass was within the actual footprints of the buildings. And especially the concrete, which is just all over the streets. Apparently, virtually all the concrete in these buildings was thoroughly pulverized. There's 4-inch thick concrete floor slabs on every floor in the 110 floors of each of these towers, and there's no evidence of any macroscopic chunks of concrete at ground zero. I mean, you can scour the images, and all you see is dust and chunks of steel. So this is entirely counterintuitive, because if you were to take a concrete block and drop it from, say, the roof of the tower, I'm sure it would smash into a lot of small pieces, but it wouldn't turn into microscopic powder, where the particles are less than 100 microns in diameter. But you need a lot of explosive energy applied consistently throughout the building to achieve that.